So sociology is basically a discipline which studies modern societies, modernity, and justifies them basically, and contributed to, in this sense, sociology didn't exist before modernity, and won't exist after modernity, and contributed to debates about the appropriate methods for sociological studies, which is generally, applying scientific and pseudoscientific methods to the study of societies and individuals, etc. In his doctoral thesis, published as the Division of Labor and Society in 1893, Durkheim presented his contrast between the basis of social cohesion and premier. So when you're talking about modernity and trying to justify modernity, then obviously